All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Roman back again with another POV drive in this I guess Range Rover Velar, bro. Alright. Let me close this baby over here. Woo! Yo, I wish it was what is it? SVR, bro, but yeah. I guess we're driving this baby over here. And one thing I noticed on the last POV drive, bro, so the camera was like a bit skew, bro. So I hope this one is a bit straight. But yeah, man, I don't know how I feel about this, bro, but this thing looks good, bro. Let me just adjust the steering wheel as your kid, bro. I feel like switching on, bro. How do I switch? Oh, there. Should we do the lights on or off, bro? I mean, y'all can see proper now. Yes, sir. Like I said, bro, we're gonna be bringing some crazy POV drives, bro. So I know this is not really much of like a crazy car, but like, hey, man, it does, bro. Plus it picks up too. And bro, we got the heads-up display. I feel like I'm reviewing the car at this point, bro. Not gonna lie, chat. But anyways, bro, I see on the last video that I posted of the 235, bro, like, I don't know, they were like kind of like, bro, you see this thing of switching cars, they were kind of like mixed what is it, mixed reactions, feelings when it came to the mic, bro. I don't know. I think I'm gonna use it here and there, bro. Honestly. Does it move, bro? I mean, for a big car, one thing about this thing, bro, it's a very big car, bro. So, and it takes a lot for it to move, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. But man, this thing is comfortable, bro. When it comes to cars, yeah, this thing is very comfortable. Is there a car? Oh, never mind. It's a, bro, like I said, bro, it's just like a comfort car. It's something you buy for like when you have a family, whatnot, bro. Not if you want to have fun, bro. Cause yeah, I won't lie, performance wise, or maybe it's cause I'm used to, you know, your CLAs, your M235, all of those cars, bro. But this one, yeah, I mean, she sounds good. Yo, y'all see that, bro? Alright, bro, so we're going to, I think KFC might be closed though. I was trying to go to KFC, bro. Puddles. The party walls. Is it closed, bro? Shoot, I think it's closed. Oh no, it's not. Yo, hopefully they take my order, bro. Fingers crossed. Bro, they literally just closed like a minute. Will they allow me? Oh, no, it's still open. We're good. Yo, KFC be having like nice aesthetics too, bro. I'm not gonna lie, chat. But anyways, yeah, she's gonna see my phone in my head, bro. I don't care, nigga. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good.
Can I? Alright, bro, so I just adjusted the camera. Also, KFC are quiet. Let's go. I think this is a diesel, bro, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully this angle is not, bro. But damn, bro, what's with South African lights not working, bruh? Yo, there's usually cops like on this road, bro. So if I go to jail, I did it for y'all, bro. Yo, 130. Yo, it moves though. Yo, you can legit feel like it's a big car, bro. Especially when you stop, like, yar, yes. Bro, even this indicator is loud as hell for no reason. Oh, hell, that chat, nah. Yo, it's crazy, bro. Honestly, it's crazy. But yeah, boys. I just hope this camera looks nah, bro, because at first it was like pointing a bit up there, bro. So for me, it didn't look good, bro. But I am buying a GoPro, chat. So yeah, y'all are gonna, I guess, see like proper quality, proper views, all that, bro. Which I can't wait for, bro. Which I can't wait for. We need to get a downpipe on this thing, boys. I'm telling you. See, once you get a downpipe, man, it's gonna look good. But bro, the ambient lighting is actually good though. No cap, no rap cap. Yo. I just love how the front also lifts, bro. Like when you step on it, bro, the front be lifting, and of course traffic. Yo, these are cops, bro. Hell that. That's a cop car, bro. What is it? CPF. Some, bro. Some. I must use this song, bro. Thing looks tough, bro. I just love the interior, bro. Like the color of the interior. Yeah, it looks clean, my boy. It looks clean, bro. But anyways, bro, I'm almost done, so we're gonna end it over here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, bro. Peace.
Whoa.